What are you boys doing this morning?
Playing.
Playing what?
Play these.
Oh, look at all those cars.
You gotta turn this around.
Turn what around, sweetie?
This.
The blanket?
Yes.
Be careful, my coffee is right there.
Oh.
What are you doing to the alligator?
Okay. He holds it. This is a baby's.
It's a baby toy?
Yeah.
Well, it's perfect for him then, isn't it? Noah. Noah.
Okay, red.
Okay, we'll turn it back. Okay, can you blow a kiss and say goodbye, Jackson? Can you say bye? You say I love you?
We're going.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm just turning the camera off.
Why?